everyone, and thank you for coming to Silicon Valley Independent Living Center's demonstration of the Evac-Chair and ADAPTS portable transfer sling. These items are used for persons with disabilities who are unable to exit the building without the use of an elevator or mobility devices or aids during an emergency such as a fire. The Evac-Chair aids in transporting an individual down the stairs safely with the assistance of an ambulatory person. Step 1. Remove Evac-Chair from storage unit. Place foot on the back of the Evac-Chair while holding the top and remove the cover as step 2. Lift the handle and pull into place. Slide the headrest down. Step 5. Unbuckle the seat and pull the chair towards you. If you have a cushion attachment, buckle it to the seat to secure it. Make sure your person is belted in safely by using the lap belt, the waist belt, and if necessary, the forehead security belt. Once secured, you are now able to transport the person by leaning the chair slightly back and pushing forward. When going down the stairs, lean the chair backwards while moving your hands towards the top of the rail and slowly push down the stairs. Once at the bottom, roll the chair to the next flight of stairs or landing.
The ADAPTS portable transfer sling can be used to transfer someone from their mobility device to the Evac-Chair or to assist them going down the stairs. There are many ways to support someone utilizing the Evac-Chair. It can be used with 2 people holding the handles at opposite sides or holding it head to foot. For better head support, have 2 people holding the straps on either side of the head and 1 holding the straps at the feet. It can also be used with 2 people holding the straps on either side.